Well, thank you for joining me on exercise 3b. I'm going to be looking at question 1e. This is to solve the following equations by completing the square. Give your answer in the exact form. That's using square root signs. Don't give your answer as decimals. Now, completing the square uses the idea that a plus b squared is equal to, not plus, a squared plus a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So what we're going to do is get our form that makes it look like 2ab, and we're going to replace that with a plus b squared in our steps. So let's write down what we've got, and we've got 4x squared plus 12x plus 5 equals 0. I like to divide everything by 4 to get a number, not have a number there in front of the x. All right, so that's everything divided by 4. Now we've got x squared plus 3x. We take that plus 5x plus 5 over 4 over to be negative 5 over 4. We get that away. We don't need that here, because what we're going to do is we're going to add half of that value 3, which is like adding b over 2 squared. It's a different b than above. And so that's going to be, by adding the same, we keep it equal. So we add half of 3 squared, we add half of 3 squared. Now we've got this form here, and we replace it with, if you can follow, a squared is like x squared, so it's x, and b squared in this formula is 3 over 2 squared. So our b has changed. It's just a relative term. And so we changed the left-hand side into a square, and that's called completing the square. Now over the right, we've got to work this out. Negative over 4 plus 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, and so this is negative 5 plus 9. Oh, that's 4. That's the number 1. So I'll just put the number 1. That's handy. And we've got x plus 3 over 2 squared is equal to 1. Take that, square it across to be plus and minus, square root. That's important. So we've got x plus 3 over 2 is equal to plus and minus square root of 1. So x equals, take the positive 3 over 2 to be negative 3 over 2 plus and minus 1. Therefore, x equals negative 3 over 2 plus 2 over minus 2 over 2 is negative 5 over 2. And now let's do the plus. Negative 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2 is negative 1 over 2. And there we have it, its exact form. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.